Fast and faster. A car is a contemporary art piece created by the endless racing instinct of humans. But making a perfect car all comes down to safety. Disc brake calipers are the last bastion of safety to stop vehicles with powerful force. Wooshin Industries calipers have your cars equipped with the best safety to complete the most beautiful driving. Since its establishment in 1992, all the employees of Wooshin Industries dedicated themselves to caliper production. With burning passion and constant diligence, Wooshin Industries acquired the certifications for ISO 9002, 14001, and QS 9000. Due to our customers' boundless trust, we have grown into a business that supplies over 10 million disc brake calipers, approximately 800 different types, to different parts of the world, including the USA, Europe, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Our disc brakes have excellent cooling performance and strong braking power at high speeds. The performance of a disc brake is determined by how quickly kinetic energy can be converted to thermal energy and how efficiently the generated heat energy can be removed. Wooshin Industries calipers are brand new, not remanufactured, maintaining the best brake performance while minimizing the gap between piston bore and piston, with the expertise and technology used to make our calipers since 1992. Wooshin Industries calipers offer only the highest quality. By performing a leak test on 100% of our products. Wooshin's philosophy regarding safety is different from others, because a single fault in the brakes can cause serious car accidents. Analysis that accurately measures the product material, performance, and components. As a simulation adjusted to real-life situations, the design is complete only after repetitively modifying the product blueprint. Proto model for mass production. Based on the produced model, we also run durability and performance tests for the product. Wooshin Industries products must pass tests and inspections for hundreds of thousands of times in order to be delivered to the customer. Competitive pricing and provision of high-quality products, Wooshin Industries creates new values through R&D. Wooshin's innovation not only dedicates itself to customer satisfaction, but optimal safety as well. The best brake system selected by the world, such as Europe, Americas, and Asia. Wooshin Industries calipers show strong braking power even at high speeds when your safety is threatened. Our first and foremost priority is ensuring your safety.